Narrow sliding under cabinet organizer for narrow width cabinets up to 7 inches wide and 21 inches deep. 1 or 2 tier storage options fully assembled as 2 tiers. Tiers slide together. Technology for easy installation, all hardware included. Made from commercial grade, heavy-duty chrome wire with easy glide, full extension ball bearing glides. 17.5 inches high, 7 inches wide, and 21 inches deep. Household Essentials Glidez narrow 7-inch sliding organizer makes your narrow cabinets useful again. This sliding organizer installs directly into your cabinet and creates a slide-out storage space. This makes getting into narrow-end cabinets easier and faster. The organizer is 21 inches deep and 17.5 inches high to fit into standard kitchen and bathroom cabinets. But it's only 7 inches wide. This narrow width lets it fit in smaller spaces, so you get more out of your storage space. This organizer is easy to put together and comes with 2 storage baskets for 2 tiers of storage that slide out together. Leave off the top basket for a single tier of storage for baking trays or cutting boards. As always, Glidez under cabinet organizers come with quick fit installation guides for hassle-free, or as close as it gets, installation. Top reviews from the United States. Strong, well-made construction makes for upgraded convenient storage. This unit, part of the Home Essentials Glidez product line, was a great choice to make a narrow deep kitchen cupboard much more useful and the contents all accessible. The rails enable the organizer to be pulled almost fully out of the cupboard for easy access of items right to the back. Heavy-duty construction, well-finished, ball bearings for quiet smooth operation. Would certainly recommend and buy again. We also previously purchased a similar product by Link, 11-inch wide unit, for a similar application in our laundry area, selecting the Link unit over Home Essentials due to dimensional considerations. The Link product is also well made, also heavy duty, is a little cheaper, but also only pulls out about halfway, not fully. That was okay for our specific application, but where possible the full pull-out extension provided by the HEG models is preferable, although for a little higher cost. Both product lines are heavy-duty and generally much better than what you will find at the big box stores, but if you are going to really load them up, then the HEG models seem to be made of a little heavier materials than the Link models.